GBPUSD analysis today. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video we'll talk about pound against dollar. So before we start the video, if you're new to the channel, then make sure you subscribe, like and share. And below the video you'll find these links. So it will grow your money 135% on automation in 5 years. Just use this robot, my robot. Install it on your charts and let it work for a number of years to come if you want that. If you want to talk to me, you can book one-to-one consultation, check out the brokers and join free Telegram. Subscribe, like, coming back here. Starting the top-down approach with weekly time frame. So weekly, we broke this low. So this could be the start of a new downtrend. Time will tell. This week ended like this. So we can see a blue candle, but at the same time, we can see rejection as well. So it went all the way until here. And then sellers came in and took the price down. Okay. So it was maybe a pullback. We'll come and see. Daily is below the EMA. 4 hour is right now is on the edge. The last candle, second last candle broke below. So I am looking for shorts. Cool. Look for shorts in GBPUSD. That's it. If you don't want to deal with this manually and you want to make money or print money on automation, check out the first link below. Subscribe, like and share, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care.